Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Jishan. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can use your phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, and use it as a webcam on your PC, or whether it's a Windows or it's a Macbook. So the reason why you want to use your phone as a webcam rather than your usual integrated webcam on your computer is because the camera lens on your phone is much better than the camera lens on your integrated webcam. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be showing you guys this technique using a free software called Iriun, which you can download either on your iPhone or your Android and on your PC, whether it's in Windows or MacBook. So the first thing that you want to do is go to Iriun.com on your PC, and the link will be also in the description below, so you can easily click on it. And then you're going to do is download or based on your operating system. So this is a Windows device, so I'm going to click download for Windows. And then as you can see, it starts to download, and then just click on it. And once you click on the download, you will be prompted with the license agreement. So click I accept the agreement, and then click on next, and then choose the path where you want to download it. Click on next, install. This will install the Iriun app, and you can just click on finish. And now what you want to do is open up the Iriun app. And now that I've opened up the Iriun app, it says no phone available. That's because we've not connected our phone to the Iriun app. So now what we're going to do is download the Iriun app on our phone. So I'm going to be using an iPhone for this tutorial, but you can follow along if you have an Android as well. So go to the App Store if you're on an iPhone, or go to the Google Play Store if you're on an Android, and then search for Iriun. And it should be the best match. And if you don't have it, text will say get, so install it. And then, but since I already have it installed, I'm just going to click on open. This will open up the Iriun app, and as you can see, I have the Iriun app ready to go on my phone, and I can flip the camera. So this will show how I look from the front side, and I can also flip the camera so to show the rear side of the camera. And now if I go to look at my PC, as you can see, the webcam, the phone display has been transferred over to my PC, and I can also choose the video format. So my phone goes all the way to 3840 times 2160, and for purpose of this video, I'm just going to choose 1920 times 180. Yeah, so that's going to be HD. And just keep in mind that the higher the frame rate you choose, the more latency there will be. So this is good, and then just close this app for now. And now we want to go onto like a application, like a web meeting application like Zoom or Microsoft Teams or Cisco WebEx. And then as you can see here, when I open up the app, Zoom will automatically take my phone as a webcam. So if I move this back a little, as you can see, the webcam is my phone. And there we go, now it works. But before I go, I want to show you guys one more thing that you can use the webcam for. You can also use this webcam for OBS recording. So let me just quickly close this meeting, so end meeting for all. And what I want to do is go to OBS. And as you can see, I have my OBS open right here. I'm recording this video right now. So what you want to do is click on this plus button right here in sources, underneath sources, and click on video camera device. And then click on OK, and then it'll give you a list of which camera you want to use. So either the integrated camera. So the reason why it's all green in this like algae type of color is because I've actually covered it up with like a sticky note, so you don't see what the integrated camera is looking like. But we're going to change the device to Iriun webcam, and then click on OK. And as you can see, OBS has taken the Iriun webcam and put it onto the OBS platform. So now if I want to create a stream or something, if I want to go live or record a video, I have this webcam good to go. And the neat thing is, suppose if you have like a sort of tripod stand at home, or even a selfie stick from one of your vacation trips, you can actually mount the camera right on top of that, so you don't have to like keep moving it around. So another neat thing about having this phone as a webcam, if you want to go grab a cup of coffee and while you're still in the meeting, you can grab the cup of coffee while still holding your phone. And so that's one thing that you can use this phone as a webcam for. But having a phone as a webcam, there's a multitude amount of things you can do with this. That's it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. Make sure to give it a like, share this video with your friends and family. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding this video or any other tech related topic, and I'll gladly help. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.